Well, hello, my friends. We got ourselves here a single shot J. Stevens A&T company, made in Chesapeake Falls, Massachusetts. Single shot. Someone did some refinishing on it. Cute little pistol. It is a hair trigger. We are going to shoot some CB shorts, so we're not overpowering it. And then after that, some regular shorts. So we got the little CB shorts. Go ahead and stick that in there. Close her up. This has a hair trigger. Oh, I hit the steel. Fling her up. Take her out. That was the CB. Don't even need earplugs for that one. This one's a short. Close her up. Oh, didn't hit the steel with that one. That one definitely has a little more oomph to it. Let's try that again with some of those shorts. Get ourselves a couple shorts out here. Close her up. Hey, I got it. Pretty cool sounding. Let me shoot a couple of those CBs yet. At least one. There we go. Barely anything. Thank you all for stopping by to Desert Armory and more. This is my little single shot Stevens. Thank you all. You all have a blessed day. Like and subscribe.